nothing but I want to explain about JavaScript data types. And today I will try to finish JavaScript operators. So that is my plan today, to finish 2 topics. And it is very easy to learn, guys, data types. See, assume that, you know, when it comes to JavaScript, guys, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means what? For example, assume that I want to declare a variable a is equal to 10. So here we are just using var keyword, because JavaScript data type is telling for any variable we don't have data type. So instead of that, you can use var keyword. So we are using var keyword. But sir, how internally our JavaScript will understand 10 is a number type? How it will understand? Sir, this A is having string type. JavaScript engine will support. So internally, we have a JavaScript engine. So what JavaScript engine is used to determine? Determine means it will identify based on the value what should be the data type for that variable. So internally, the data type will come for that variable. We don't need to give. That is known as dynamically typed language. Understood my point here now? So tell me, I'm giving a is equal to 10. Now JavaScript engine will come. JavaScript engine will read this value 10. So immediately it will understand it is a number data type. What data type? Number data type. In JavaScript, we have a number data type. Assume that I am taking what here? Here, hi. Hi means JavaScript will understand it's a string. So string data type will be added internally. So that is known as what here? Dynamically typed language. You don't need to write number, string. It will be taken automatically internally. That is known as dynamically typed language. Understood, everybody? Okay, that is the first step. Second, what we need to do, there are 2 types of data types are there in JavaScript: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So let's see what are the primitive data types we have. Let me say primitive data types. And one side I can say non-primitive data types. And even we can say data type means data type describes what type of value we want to store inside a variable. So tell me, who will describe what type of value we want to store inside a variable? Data type. Data type describes. Assume that I am giving 10. So 10 is a number data type. So internally here, number will be added. So it will consider as a number data type. So data type only describe what type of value that variable should accept. Now tell me, when I am writing number A, it will take only numbers only, na? Yes, like that. So data type will tell what type of value you want to store inside a variable. And JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. We are not using any data type to declare a variable. Instead of that, we are using what keyword? Var keyword we are using to declare any variable in JavaScript. But remember, internally JavaScript is used to determine a particular data type based on the value. Based on the value, it will determine which data type is suitable here. That data type will be added. Understood my point here now? Okay, so how many data types are there? 2 types. Primitive data types. One can say non-primitive data types. Primitive data type means, let me tell you, we have a number data type, we have a string data type, we have a Boolean data type, and defined data type. What we have next? Null. These are the what here? Primitive data types. Next comes to what here? Non-primitive data type. Non-primitive means what here? We have what here? Object. You can say what? Array. Even you can say what here? let's say what here, regex. So now what I want to do now, wait here, I will not explain non-primitive data type now, because we are focusing mainly today first with what data type? Primitive data. Who is the first primitive data type? Number. Open now. Go to the subline. Go open the subline, and I will show you one example to you. So let me remove everything. Yep. Yes. So now let's see, inside the body, we need to write what tag? Script. Inside the script, I want to declare a variable. Variable A is equal to 10. Document dot write ln A. Variable B is equal to 10.5. It's a float, na? Decimal number it is. And decimal number also comes under, okay, comes under number data type only. Number can be any number. It can be decimal number, it can be non-decimal number, any number you can take. Save this code, right click, open in a browser, and now you can see the output, both is coming. Both are number data type. Next to what we have, string. I'm taking, variable name can be anything, double quotation, let's say I hub. And here I'm taking single quotation, talent. Yes, string means you can write double quotation also. You can write single quotation also, no issues. Output will come what here? I have talent. Understood my point here? So remember, that is called string. Next to what we can give, Boolean value, true. Second, I will give what? False. Save this, and now you see this. Refresh. That is called what? Boolean. Now we need to go for what here? Undefined. Where we need to go? Undefined. Undefined means what we need to do. Assume that I declare a variable. Variable I. Tell me, did I store any value? I didn't store any value, guys. So whenever if I didn't store the value, that time what happened, you know, undefined will come. Understood? Variable is available. What is not available? Value is not available. So whenever value is not available, undefined. Sir, what about null, sir? Null. Null will come if you give value as null. If you're giving value as null, so that time it is known as what here? Null. So remember that point here. This is what the story is. So this is all about what data type? Primitive data types. So tell me total how many primitive data types we have? Number, string, Boolean, undefined, null. So we are working on these primitive data types more and more. So definitely we have one more data type that is known as non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data type means what I told, object array and regular expression, regex. Sir, what is object? It is used to represent instance, means it is used to create one object through which we can access members. Members means we can access the data, variables. Variables are known as members. Methods are known as members. Understood my point here now? So remember, we are creating one object through which we can access the members. Array means what? You know, it is a group of similar elements, or you can say homogeneous elements, same type of data. That is known as what here? Array. So tell me, what is array? Array is used to represent group of similar elements, because in array we never store values, we store elements. So it's a group of similar elements. In array we can hold multiple values, and that values should be same. Integer means all should be integer. Next is what we have, regex. It is used to represent regular expression. See, regex is very, very, very important in JavaScript, because in yesterday's class I told you, sir, JavaScript mainly is used to perform client-side form validation. So whenever if you want to do client-side form validation, we are doing with the help of regular expression only. So what is regular expression? It is an object. Remember, in JavaScript, object is an object, array is an object, regular expression is also object. That is the reason I told you JavaScript is a object-based programming language. Yes or no? Tell me. So remember, working with object is nothing but object only. Working with arrays is nothing but working with object only. Working with regex is also working with objects. These are the objects. But today we are not seeing even a single example on objects, arrays, and regex. These topics are separate topics in JavaScript. Arrays topic separately. One day it will take. Regex will take 1 day. Objects I can finish in 20 minutes, like that. So like this, we have a separate topics in JavaScript. So in coming classes, I will explain about non-primitive data type. Understood my point here now? So tell me, how many variables are there in JavaScript? How many variables? 2 variables, local variable, global variable. How many data types are there? 2 data types, primitive data types, non-primitive data types. Yes or no? Tell me. Remember, see, especially for React people, don't worry, you people will not face any problem, because first time you are learning data types. So you can remember. But for Java people, little bit confusion, because you need to maintain Java data types also, JavaScript data types also. So might be you will get some little bit confused, but remember, don't get confused, learn thoroughly. In Java also we have primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In JavaScript also primitive data types and non-primitive data types. There is no difference here. Inside primitive data type, differences are there. There we have integer, byte, short, long, float. But here what we have? Number, string, boolean, undefined, null. In non-primitive data type, we have what? Object, array, regex. Understood my point here now? So make differences. If you make differences, you can remember. Remember, one student asked me, sir, how can I improve my coding? How can I improve my theory questions? I said, you learn one topic, you learn one program, explain to your friend, and he will learn another topic, another program. Tell him to explain to you. So if you do group study, then it is possible. But what I have seen, you people are going to lab. Some people busy in mobile phone. Some people are sleeping. Some people are eating. Whatever you are doing. Very good. Lab na. Lab aruma. Understood my point? You know? So remember, see, every activity I will check. So whenever if I go from there, I will see what you people are doing also. But what I mean to say is nothing but, see, one thing I will tell you. For Java, Java 12th batch is there. So what happened? They are learning advanced Java. After that, they are going for interview. Still, if you are not become serious, then definitely it will affect for your future only. So remember, like that, time will come for React people also. Now you will not feel anything. But when you attend first interview, you will realize, they are asking very tough question. You believe like that. What they will ask? They will ask, what is React? You will think, very tough question it is. Because you don't have knowledge. So it looks tougher. But remember, if you have knowledge perfectly, so then you never think that they are tough. See, interviews are very easy, guys. According to me, freshers interview, like this I can clear. See, why? Because I have knowledge. So then I confidently I can say. But if I don't have knowledge, assume that they told me to give, let's say, give interview on blockchain. I will get blocked there. Yes, sir, because I don't have knowledge, I don't have confidence. So build confidence first. So that is very, very important. I hope you people understood data types topic. Yes? Online people understood data types topic? Any answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. He is selling like in military, they will say, na? Yes, sir. Very good. Somebody told at least. Out of 14, one student told me he is active. Okay. One more came in message. Okay. Very good. So now immediately we need to move towards operators. See, what is the operators we need to see is nothing but operators are nothing but what here. See here, everybody. I am giving here JavaScript operators now. JavaScript operators means what I want to tell you is operators are nothing but they are symbols. Operators are nothing but they are symbols, and they do operations. They do operations on operands. So remember, operator is a symbol. They performs operations on operands. Sir, I didn't understand. Assume that I am taking A plus B. A plus B, A and B both are what here? Operands. Plus is a what here? Symbol. So what it will do? It will perform some operation. It will add the two numbers. It will add the two variables. Yes or no, tell me. So remember, if anyone asking you tomorrow what is operator? Operator is a symbol. It performs some operations on operands. Okay, very good. So now what I want to see, we need to see what are the list of operators are there in JavaScript. So remember, JavaScript contains 6 operators. How many operators? 6 operators are there with JavaScript. So let's see, you will be getting an idea. First, I want to go to arithmetic operators. You can say conditional operator, or you can say relational operator. Next, you can say bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and special operators. Total, how many are there? 6 operators are there. Okay. So let me repeat one more time. What are those? Arithmetic operator, conditional or relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator, special operators. Total how many? 6. So remember, there are 6 operators are there in JavaScript. And in this JavaScript only, in these 6 operators only, all the symbols will come. All the symbols. So might be you don't know what are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, I will give you first the list. Then we'll do the code. So see this. This is the list is available. First, I am giving what? Plus, addition. Add you can say, or you can say addition. This you can say subtraction. Next is what we have? Star, multiplication, division, modulus. Percentage is known as what? Modulus. Then we have increment, plus plus. Even we have decrement. This is what we have. This is all about what is arithmetic operators. Okay, sir. These are the arithmetic operators. Yes. So shall we write the program first? Okay. First, I will give you this case. We'll finish on this. Because plus, minus, you know very well. From school, we are doing this. So let me give you first example to you. Example 1. So what I will do, I will remove all the previous examples. I don't need. I will give it new to you people. Don't worry. Yeah, because I don't need any disturbance for tomorrow. I'm keeping the notes ready so that with less time I can cover more topics. Okay. So let's see. Go open the Sublime now. You know very well. First, we need to go for addition. Addition means I'm taking document dot write ln. Here I'm taking A plus B. And here I'm taking BR, break line. So we don't have A value, we don't have B value. How to give? Variable A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So tell me 10 plus 20. Otherwise, I will give 20, 10. Or let's say 10 and 20 only, better. 10 plus 20, how much? 30. Let's see. 30 is coming. Yes. Very good. Nice. It's very easy. Now tell me, here I'm giving minus. minus 20, because greater sign is what? Minus 10, na? Sorry, guys. 10 minus 20. So what is the output will come? Minus 10. Very good. Because greater is having negative number. Next, what I'm giving? Multiplication. 10 into 20? 200. Let's see 200. Yes, 200. Next. I'm giving what? Division. I'm dividing with big number, na? So tell me, possible, ah? No. What's the output will come? 10, ah? 0.0 will not add it, man, like mathematics. 0 will come, ah? What is the coming? 0.5. So remember, in Java, this is not allowed. 0 will come. But here, what is coming? 0.5. Exact mathematical calculation. Understood my point here, no? 0.5 will be added, you know very well. Then I will say what here? Modulus. Modulus means what I want to do. Tell me. Modulus. See, division is possible with greater number. But what I am taking? Modulus. Tell me what the modulus will come? Error. What the output will come? 10. Why? Because I will tell you. Why 10 will come? See this, we are taking a value. Let me explain here so that you can understand easily. What I want to do, I will explain here. Assume that I have taken what here? 10 first. Then I am taking what here? Modulus. Then I am giving what? 20. So remember, in case of modulus, I am telling. In case of modulus, if you divide any number with bigger number, so what happened? Direct output, what it will come? 10. Not possible. So that number only it will give. Understood my point here? So if you take small number, small means if I am giving 10, modulus with what here? 2. Possible or not possible? 2 ones are, 2 fives are. What's the reminder? 0 is the reminder, na? Reminder, modulus always take reminder value. Reminder value means you need to go like this. So you need to take 10. You need to take 2. How many times it will go? 5 times. So what's the output will come? 0. So modulus, your modulus, whatever the modulus is there, it will take reminder value. Understood my point here now? So that point you need to understand. So that's the reason here output is coming what? 10. But tell me if I am taking like this. Here I am taking 10 modulus 3. 1 is a reminder, na? Yes, 1 is a reminder. So see this. 1 is a reminder. Understood my point, yeah, no? It is always taking which value? Reminder value. So that point you need to understand. Like this we are working it. I hope you people understood how we are working with what here? Modulus. Division you know very well. Only we need to focus on modulus. Okay. Sir, what is the next one? Next one we have what here? Increment. Guys. Increment is very, very important. But increment means you need to follow 2 rules only. See, in increment, so remember we have 2 types of increments. Okay, first one is known as pre-increment. Second one is known as post-increment. So remember that point, there is the rules are there, rules. You understand what are the rules are there here. For pre, there are 2 rules. First change. Let me say the 2 rules. First change, then take. First change, then take. For post, reverse. First take, then change. And that is the reason here I am giving what here? Plus plus I, whatever this before. Before is known as what? Pre. Here is known as what here? After. I plus plus. This is known as what? Post. Understood my point here? So remember, here somewhat tricky for you people, guys. So understand I'm working with pre now. And increment means plus plus. Decrement means what? Minus minus. Increment means it will add one. Decrement means it will subtract one. So that point you need to understand. So see this. I'm giving some example to you. Example 2. What is the example? Let's say example 1 only. For increment it is. So what I'm going to give you, see here. I will give you a variable I is equal to 10. Okay, now I is equal to 10. And now you can see this. I am taking plus plus I. Document dot write ln I. Now tell me first you need to understand it's a pre or post. Pre. What pre will do? First change, then take. So what's the output will come? 11. If you don't follow that order, you can't tell outputs. 11 will come. First change, then take. Understood my point here now? So let's see this. Next program, if you are intelligent, you will tell the output, otherwise you can't. I need React people should speak. React people, I need concentration from you people. See this. I am taking, here I am taking I plus plus. Tell me, it's a pre or post? Pre. What pre will do? First change, it will becomes 11. Again, what is the output will come? 11 only. Very good. Nice. Array, sir, it is very easy. Change, take. Change, take. Only you need to remember like this. Yes or no, tell me? Okay, wait now. I will go with what here? Example 3. See, example 3 means what I'm going to do? I value 10. Variable j is equal to plus plus I. I want to print I plus j. Now everybody focus. You understands here. What I'm going to do understands. Tell me what's the I value first. So see this. I value, you need to draw memory like this. Now tell me what is available here. I plus plus, pre or post? Pre. First change, then take. Yes or no, tell me. Now tell me what is I value and what is J value? 11, 11. Understood na? Got an idea how it is coming? First change, then take, then store. Storing in J. So both are coming 11, 11. Let's say refresh. Did I save her? What I need to do? 11, 11. So tell me who is ready to take challenge in React? In React, who is ready to take challenge? Yes. Raju. Raju, you can see here I am taking plus, plus, plus I. Tell me what's the output? It's a pre or post? Pre na. You do change, take, you do na. What we need to do here? It's a pre na. Pre means 10 will becomes how much? 11. Then take. It's a pre or post? Change. Then take. Tell me 11 plus 12. 23 will go to J. What's the I value? 12. Like this you need to do, man. If you can't think much, you can't get job tomorrow. Remember. Understood my point here? Think, take, change. Sorry, change, take. Change, take. Follow the process. Online people understood?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Anybody is interested again? Who is ready to take challenge? React. Beside, what's your name? Prasad. Okay, our Prasad will come. Example 5. Prasad, you can see this. Tell me. Prasad will say. How much? I value how much? What 36? 13, 36. Very good. Because 3 times incrementation. Huh? Yeah, I'm telling very good. I'm telling, I know efforts. So see this, it's a pre, na? First change, then take. Pre, change, then take. Then again pre, first change, then take. So 11 plus 12 plus 13, 36. So J value comes 36 and I value will come what? 13, like that. Very good, guys. So I hope you people understood pre. So now shall I go to post, decrement? Post we didn't do, right? Array post, be ready. Who are clapping? Now your turn. Let's see how will you clap. Don't worry, it is easy to say. Okay. So now let's see what I'm going to do now. Yes. Everybody focus. I value what here 10. So now I'm working with what here post. So understand rule is reverse. First take, then change. Understood? What's your name? Akash. So let's say Raju, Prasad, Akash. Akash. See this here I am taking. I will explain first example. Second explain Akash will say. Assume that I value is 10. Here I am taking what here? Plus plus. And then I am printing what here? I. Sir, here you can't find any difference. So tell me, it's a pre or post? Post. Post what it will do? Here 10 will come. Here 10 will come. Then it will change. It will becomes what? But tell me, anybody is printing 10? No. So that's why it is coming to what? New line. I value. I value is how much? 11. So 11 will come. Okay. So because in this example, you can't find more effective. More effective you can't find. But output will come 11 only here. No doubt. But see the example 2 now. Not example 2. Example 7. Now tell me, Akash, variable j is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. What is I value? What is j value? Wait here, Akash will say, focus. Akash, it's a pre or post? Post. What post will do? First take. Say like that. First take. Take means what it will come? 10. Then change. Pre or post? Post. What it will do? First take. What is the take? Then change. 10 plus 11. So J value becomes 21. I value becomes what? 12. Understood my point? Follow, pronounce, take, change, pronounce. Otherwise output will not come. 12, 21. So let's see this. Refresh. Coming or not coming? Very good. Yes. You also react now. What's your name? Manoj. Manoj Kumar. Only Manoj. Okay, Manoj. So let's see. I'm giving like this. Tell me, Manoj, it's a pre or post? Post. What post will do? First take what? Take 10, then change. It's a pre or post? Pre. What pre will do? First change, then take. So I value 12, J value 22. Understood my point here now? 12, 22. Online people also, I hope you got an idea. Working or not working? So remember, this is somewhat tricky for you people. I believe in operators, this is only tough. Remaining operators easy enough. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. But tough means increment, decrement only. Now tell me, now same we need to go for what? Decrements also. Decrements you know very well. Here you add, there you will do subtract. Not more than that one. So let's go there. I will write this. We will write again and again. Yeah. So let's say decrement. Decrement means what? Minus. We have two types of decrement. Pre-decrement. Post-decrement. Here I can say minus minus. Same operation only. Shall I give? First example. Yes, Manoj is done. Backside. What's your name? Yes. She is telling backside means I only, sir. Are you from React or not? No. Who is from React? Yes, here. Why? I know you people are not coming. What is your name? T-shirt? Ganesh. Sit down. Ganesh, very good. See, respect. Okay. So now let's see this one now. I is equal to 10 Ganesh. See what I am taking variable j is equal to. Here I am taking I minus. And I want what is I value, what is j value. Oh, wait here, Ganesh will say. What is the I value? 10. Tell me it's a pre or post? Post. Post what it will do? First take. Take means 10. Then change. Change means 11. Huh? Minus. So tell me what is the I value? 9. What is the j value? 10. Very good. Nice. You are also becoming good now. Yes, sir, tell me. So remember, what I mean to say is nothing but if you speak in class, quality will come. If you don't speak in class, quality will not come. Understood my point here now? You will become expert if you speak in the classes, if you give answers. So this is very, very, very important. So we need to understand. Okay, I will give you one more program. What's your name? Sorry? Sai. So Sai, you be ready. So I will give you the second example. So don't get confused. Sai. I minus plus minus I. Now tell me, first one is pre or post? Post. What post will do? First take, then change. 9. Pre or post? Pre. Pre means first change, then take. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 will go to J. I value 8. Very good. Nice. So here it's coming what here? 8, 18. So that is correct or not? Very good. Like this. Okay. Example 3. So let's see. I know this is very interesting one. What I want to do, I will take plus I plus. It's a JavaScript. Tell me. What is the output? Error. Multiple not allowed. You know, error means output will not come in JavaScript. You go to F12 and check. Invalid. Like that. Understood everybody? So make sure that you should not follow this kind of scenarios. Multiple we cannot take. Sir, 1 plus plus 1 minus minus, invalid it will say. Make sure that don't follow. I hope you got an idea about arithmetic operators. Yes. So we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. Okay. Now immediately we need to go to conditional operators. Conditional operators are also known as relational operators. So let's see what I'm going to give you. Where is that man? Yeah. So let's see what are the conditional operators we have. You understand first. Double equal to, not equals to, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Even we have triple equal to also, guys. We have what? Triple equal to. Triple equal to I will explain separately. As an interview question, I will explain. So triple equal to is also available here. Single equal to available, double equal to available, triple equal to available in JavaScript. Okay, wait. I will explain separately as an interview question. So now we are working with equals to, not equals to, greater than. You know very well greater than equal to, less than equal to. For example, I will give you all the examples here. You can see here, ready-made. Tell me 10 equals to 10 or not. What's the message will come? True. Tell me 10 equals to 20. What it will say? False. That's over. First one equals to finish. So first one say true. Second one will say what? False. Now go to the second one. Second one, what I want to give you. Tell me 10 not equal to 10. Array sir, 10 equal to 10, sir. How can you say not equal to 10? Understood my point here? Assume that psi is there. Psi you are not, psi means? Understood my false na? Yes. Psi you are not Ganesh means I can understand. Psi you are not Akash means I can understand. So remember that point. I am telling 10 not equal to 10. So definitely JavaScript will say false. 10 not equal to 20. Yes, 10 not equal to 20. That is known as what? True. So first false will come, second true will come. So that we can finish the operators topic very easily, guys. Because for interview, operators are not important. But for our coding purpose is required. So that's why we need to finish operators as soon as possible. Okay. Next, what I want to give you now. Now let's take example here. About greater than. Tell me 10 greater than 20. What is coming? False. 10 greater than 7. Yes, true. 10 greater than equal to 10. Equal to na. True. 10 less than 5. False. 10 less than 16. True. Like that. Understood my point here now? So like this we can take. So all it will come. False, true, true, false, true. False, true, true, false, true. Last true, false, true. Understood my point here now? Everything is correct or not? So remember that point here. You don't need these operators now. So I hope you got an idea. Conditional operator. So conditional operator means what? Double equals to, not equal, or you can say equals to, not equals to, greater than equals to, less than equal to, triple equals to also. But triple equals to I will explain separately. Understood what are the conditional operators? Okay, sir. We understood operators. Third one we have is nothing but bitwise operator. So definitely we need to learn bitwise operator, which is more powerful. But before we go to bitwise operator, I want to tell you something else. What's something I will tell you? See, to learn bitwise operator, we should know binary numbers. If you know binary numbers, then only you can work with bitwise operators. Assume that I am giving 5. 5 is nothing but this is decimal number, guys. Which number? Decimal number. So what I want to find out, I need binary number. So for 5, binary number is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is known as what here? Binary number. Remember, this is known as binary number. But sir, how do you know that this is a binary number? So you need binary for which number? 5. So write 5. Divide with what here? 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. How much remainder? 1. 2 2 2 1s are 2. How much remainder? 0. So total how many is coming? You need to follow this order. So we need to take 1 0 1. But total binary number means 4 digits, na? So that's why we will add 0 at the last. Let's take an example. Sir, I want 10 is there. I need binary number. So see this 10 is there, na? We need to take what? 2. 2 5s are 10. What's the remainder? 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. Now you take order 1 0 1 0. Understood, na? So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, how to convert decimal to binary. Your Reactor Java. Reactor. What's your name? Srinivas. Srinivas, be ready. So now let's see this one now. Very, very, very important. Now you need to understand here. Everyone, how to find out decimal to binary. We should know reverse also. Reverse means assume 0 1 0. This is my binary. It's decimal number. Reverse. So definitely you need to go from this side. Right side is there. 0. Next 1. Next 0. Next 1. First you need to multiply with 1. Second we need to multiply with 2. Third we need to multiply with 4. Fifth 1 double, 2 double, 4 double, 8 double, like that. Means 1 double is 2, 2 double is 4, 4 double is 8. Now you can write plus, you can write plus, you can write plus. Two. Anything multiply with 0, 0. Plus numbers. For 10 binary 0 1 0. Understood na? Decimal. Okay, now you got an idea. Now you are ready to work with, ready to work with okay, bitwise operator. I already gave you. So see this bitwise operators, what we have? We have AND, bitwise AND operator. We have bitwise OR. And next is what? Bitwise XOR. Even we have bitwise NOT, right shift, left shift. So this is what comes under what your operators. Sir, I didn't understand anything. So first of all, to go with one bitwise AND operator, we required one truth table. So let's see what is the truth table. True means true. True false means false. False true means false. False means false. Anywhere F is coming, false is coming, F. If both are true. Anywhere false comes false. Understood my point? What is the truth table now? Okay, now I'm giving one example to you. You understand? See this. I am giving here. I'm giving one example only to show you. Variable A is equal to 10. variable b is equal to what? 15. And then I am taking variable c is equal to a and b. So tell me, and is a which operator? Bitwise and single and bitwise. And what I want to display document dot write ln c. I wanted c value. Sir, I didn't understand anything, sir. Okay. So now tell me, we have a 10. 10 binary number is 1, 0, 0. 15. Binary number 1, 1, like this. Now currently you are working with which operator? Both are 1, 1. True, true, true. Anyone false? False, false. Again, what's output is coming? 1010 means what? 10 only. Yes or no, tell me. So like this, we need to check our output. Understood now? Got an idea? So this is very, very important. So you can see this. I'm taking what here? 10. 10 is output. Easy to say. Now tell me. Same thing I mentioned in the notes also. So let's see, I gave simplification explanation also. That is not important.
Sir, voice is not came, sir.